Welcome to Monday energy clearing candle magic ritual that is mostly done intuitively. So, this is my intuitive process on this Monday. It may be different next Monday, but the point of this video is to help you get into your creative flow and starting a new week. Now, what I'm doing here is I was getting some fresh basil that I had in one jar, and I was putting it in another jar and getting prepared to get the candles ready for the magic. I have chosen one black candle to remove negative energy from my space, as well as blockages from abundance. And I use some hyssop on top of the candle to attract prosperity and remove negative energy. And then I'm also working with a green candle today to attract wealth. And I am scribing the amount of wealth that I want to attract and by when into the candle with a little jewelry making tool that I have. You can use whatever you want, toothpick, pen, doesn't matter, be creative. And I also scribe love into the candle, as well as express how grateful I am to the universe in advance. And then I place the candle in a candle holder, and I put basil over the candle, dried basil, as well as ginkgo. That's right. Ginkgo biloba also promotes wealth and prosperity. And you see me kiss the bottles because I am showing the herbs that I am grateful. And I also sprinkle some lavender in the candle to attract these things with ease. I am attracting a wealth and prosperity minus the anxiety. Okay, so after I'm done fixing that candle, then I clear the space, and I'm also working with a white candle this week. And this white candle is to not only clear the energy in my business and in my psychic practice, but it's also to attract purity, to attract abundance, to attract ideal clients and ideal business partners. And what you see me doing here is writing a petition to the universe and letting the universe know what I want to attract. And I'm writing that in detail and with emotion and with gratefulness in my heart the whole time. And after I'm finished writing this letter, I also decided to include some powerful blood magic also, which, if you don't know what that is, if you don't know, now you know. This is definitely a female thing. Some may look at it as disgusting, but I do not. So I signed my name with my period blood on my letter. And what you're seeing right here is that I forgot about the blood, and I came back and signed my name with a period letter. I'm folding the letter towards myself because I am attracting these things towards me. And then I'm going to put, or I did put, the little piece of paper under where the candle will sit. And due to the candle not fitting in the candle holder, I had to shave it a little bit, which is what you see me doing here with a wine opener. Wine openers are handy for other things besides opening wine, which I don't use it for opening wine because I don't drink wine. So I use it for my candle. All right. So what you see here, this is a mixture that I had previously made with uncrossing oil and some other herbs. And this I'm wrapping around the candle just for that added attraction. So I am uncrossing negative energy and I am attracting positivity to me. I am unblocking energy from finding me, from my ideal clients finding me, and I am attracting the energy to me. And I'm also adding lavender to do these things with ease, to attract with no anxiety. And that is what I'm placing around the candle, and also using the excess to help the candle stand up a little bit better in the candle holder. So that is what you see me here doing. All of this took about a good hour for me to get together and to do, but it's a great way to start off your week. And as soon as the black candle was finished burning, a client contacted me. So this energy work is very real. It works very well. Okay, so when I'm done, I keep my important things like the uncrossing oil and the attraction oils. I keep them up top. I keep them at the highest point of my apartment, up near the heavens. That's where I also, like, when I cleanse my crystals, I keep them on top of my cabinets, way above everything else in my apartment. It's just, an added technique. So I light the candles and then I let them burn out completely. Always using, precautions. If I do have to leave my apartment, I snuff the candles out, and then when appropriate, I relight them. There's nothing wrong with that. It's not going to interfere with your energy work. Always be safe. And then the last thing that I'm doing is I am intentionally pulling up the energy and cleansing it from my space and channeling Reiki and connecting with the angels, archangels, angelic choirs of every harmonic and octave, ancestors, Reiki gods, Reiki master, ascendants, universal light, love, peace, compassion, kindness, anything else. I connected to music, the universal language of music,